Hello, this is Druv, one of your moody foodies here. I'm excited to share some amazing food adventures with you in this culinary journal. Today we're diving into the world of crafting super soft handmade roti, a delightful addition to elevate your culinary experience.
Hey everyone, I'm Sarah, thrilled to join Druv on this culinary adventure. Before we begin, let's set the stage for what we're about to create. Originating from the Indian subcontinent, roti is a versatile, flat bread that's become a beloved staple in many cultures. Its simplicity lies in its basic ingredients, yet it carries a rich history and has evolved into various forms globally. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a newbie in the kitchen, mastering roti promises a rewarding and delicious experience. So let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the art of making soft, handmade roti, a skill that'll surely add a touch of warmth and tradition to your cooking repertoire. Now, I'll hand it over to Druv, who'll walk us through the first steps of this delightful culinary journey.
Let's have some fun. First, for the dough, start by boiling water. In a bowl, mix 2 cups of flour with 1.5 ounce of soft butter, 2 tablespoons of oil such as canola, vegetable or olive oil, and a teaspoon of salt to season it. We don't want the water boiling, so let it cool just a minute, but still be really hot. At that point, add 1 cup water to the mixture. Quickly combine the ingredients to form a soft, pillowy dough. Hold up, y'all. Since it will be hot, start with a utensil to combine it. Don't nobody need to get hurt up in this mother. It will cool off that you can start to knead it, and the key here is to knead it until it becomes really soft like a cloud.
And while you're getting your hands into that dough, let me share a cool little story that ties right into what we're doing here. Did you know that roti has a special place in many cultural ceremonies around the world? In some cultures, preparing roti is not just cooking, but a ritual symbolizing prosperity and hospitality. I remember a story my grandmother told me about her wedding in India. She said that making roti was an integral part of the ceremony, where the bride showcases her skills in making this bread, signifying her readiness to nurture and care for her new family. This tradition highlights the roti's significance beyond just being a food item. It's a symbol of love, care, and connection. It's amazing how a simple bread can hold such profound cultural and emotional value, transcending its culinary importance. Every time we make roti, we're not just cooking, we're weaving a thread into the rich tapestry of its cultural legacy. And here's a funny twist. Imagine if roti making skills were used in modern dating. You'd swipe right based on how round and fluffy someone's roti is. Oh, you can cook a mean curry, but you can roll a perfect roti? That would be the ultimate matchmaking criteria. Picture it, a dating app exclusively for roti connoisseurs. Roti Mingle. Forget astrological signs. I'm a thick and fluffy, seeking a thin and crispy. It's a humorous thought, but who knows? In a world that loves food as much as ours, it might just be the next big thing. Now let's get back to the dough. Druv?
Divide the dough into the number of pieces you choose, but 6 or 8 pieces is a good start, rolling each into a ball. Next, start preheating a pan. While that is warming up, roll out the dough on a floured surface. Give this a few flips and rolls. Roll the dough thin, but not to the point it will fall apart. Lay out the roti in the pan and make sure it's not bent over itself. Cook the roti, flipping it when bubblies form, making air pockets. Brush with melted butter, allowing both sides to develop a golden brown hue. Once done, keep the roti warm on a towel-lined plate. Voila! Fresh, soft, and delicious handmade roti ready to complement your next curry. My favorite is to top with roasted garlic. Give that a try.
But don't stop there. Try pairing it with different dips and spreads. Think about a spicy hummus or a tangy yogurt dip. The combination of soft roti and these flavors can take your taste buds on an unforgettable journey.
Comment how much you enjoyed this and if you're going to give it a try. More cooking adventures are on the way.
If you've stuck around this long, drop a 100 in the comments. It's our secret code for the dedicated roti warriors out there.
If you'd like to see more, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time.